At Central Backhoe Services, we dig Central Alberta. Our services are not limited to backhoe work only. We're a company that can change your customer-owned power poles and secondary wires, as well as install and repair your yard lights. We also have a gravel truck available and can provide snow clearing services. We're located in Innisfail, but we've been able to service customers as far north as Rimbey and as far south as Baysecker. Free estimates are always available. Call us today to arrange yours.